Welcome to Candypop Quiz. Today's challenge is find the odd animal out. I'll show you 20 questions, 10 seconds to think. In each picture, one item is slightly different. Can you spot it before time runs out? Let's begin. Before jumping into the quiz, don't forget to subscribe. Here's your first picture. Can you find the odd one out? Great start. Next one. Look carefully. Which one is different? Nice catch. Another challenge. Spot the odd one quickly. Well done. Eyes sharp. Can you find the odd one here? Awesome work. This one's tricky. Which one looks different? You nailed it. We've got an emoji quiz, moon and key. What do you think these mean? Take a guess and let's see. Time's up. The answer is monkey. Did you get it? Look closely. One of them isn't the same. Fantastic. Time for another. Spot the different one. Brilliant. Focus carefully. Which one is odd here? That's some eagle eye vision. Halfway there. Can you spot the odd one out? Incredible, you're halfway champion. Alright, lots of apples, bananas, and oranges, but where's that cat? Look carefully, maybe near the bottom or behind a fruit. Drop your guess in the comments below. I'll give you a few more seconds. Time's up. The cat is hiding behind the big orange on the right. Don't blink. Can you find the odd one? Outstanding, you didn't miss a beat. This one might fool you. Spot the odd item. Clever brain, nicely done. Look carefully. Which one is different? You've got eyes like a detective. Quick, can you see the odd one out? Spot on, you're too good at this. Alright, the shadow has a curly tail and those big ears, pretty distinctive, right? Let's see your guesses in the comments. I'll give you a few more seconds to think. Okay, time's up. The answer is option 3, the monkey. That tail and ear shape give it away. Here's another challenge. Find the odd one. Excellent, you solved it like lightning. Almost done. Which one doesn't fit? Amazing focus, you're killing it. Guess the animal. Letters on screen. K, N, G, R. What's the word? Time. It's kangaroo. If you caught it, you've got hops. Great job. Final challenge. Look closely and spot the odd one out. Champion level, you did it. Awesome job everyone. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Candypop quizzes.